So what we have here today, guys, is another budget soundbar. This is the MindKoo MK-BR05. Now this particular soundbar has two speakers in the bar itself. These are two 20-watt speakers. As far as the subwoofer, we're looking at a 5-inch 50-watt high power subwoofer. Now at first I was skeptical because of the size of this unit, but after setting it up, playing music, playing movies on it, guys, this actually packs a punch. So as far as the specifications, it does have 3D virtual sound. It does have 3 equalizer modes. So you have music, news, film, and you do have adjustable bass as well. As far as the connections, guys, it does have an optical, coaxial, it does have 3.5mm input, USB, and it does have Bluetooth connectivity. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the contents in the box. We're also going to set it up, do a sound check, of course, and in the end, I'll let you guys know my overall impression of this soundbar. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now before we jump into the video, I want to give a big shout out to MindKoo for sending this soundbar for me to review. Now this is a sponsored review, however all the thoughts and opinions are my own. I will be leaving a link in the description where you can pick it up, and right now there's a 20% off coupon code available for you. We do have a user's manual, so this is going to give you the basic setup, everything you need to know, what buttons do what. It's in different languages as well, guys, so please read this guide before you go ahead and set this up. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the system. You do have a subscribe QR code, so subscribe to their giveaways if you guys are interested. You do have a couple wall anchors. These are anchors and screws, so this gives you the option to mount this on the wall if you want to go ahead and take that route. You have a 3.5mm to auxiliary, so this is another way to hook this up to your TV or your surround sound system. This will go in the back of your soundbar, and this will go in the back of your TV. You do have an optical cable. Alright, so cool that they included this. This is the best way to get your high quality sound, guys. So if you do have an optical option on your TV, definitely recommend go ahead and using that. Now right here you do have an RC, and this is the hookup for your subwoofer. So this right here will go in the back of your soundbar. This will go in the back of your subwoofer, and you guys will see that here in a little bit when I turn the subwoofer around. You have your power brick. And so you do have a remote control included as well. Pretty self-explanatory. You have your power button right here, mute, you have your Bluetooth, so hold it to pair your Bluetooth device. You have your rewind, fast forward, play, pause in the middle, up and down. So you do have different things for different modes. So you have music, you have news, and you do have a movie mode. So this is a way to choose the best sound for your setting. You do have your bass, up and down, and at the bottom right here you do have your source. So you can go from 3.5mm to USB to optical to coaxial and back to the 3.5mm. So this is your mounting guide. It does have 2 screw holes, so one right here, one right here. Easy way to mark your wall where you need to put the holes if you're deciding to mount the speaker on the wall. So here's the 5-inch 50-watt subwoofer, guys. So nothing on the front, just the MindKoo writing, sub on the left. On the back side you do have a vent hole, and you do have the 2 hookups for your wiring. Basically just snapping right there. Nothing on this side, nothing on the bottom. Last but not least, you do have your main soundbar, guys. Logo right here, power button. This is to switch your source. You do have the volume up and down. On the underbody, you can see you have some rubber legs right here. Keeps it from slipping. Does a good job as well. Looking a little bit closer, you have your hook in for your subwoofer. This is your power, and this is your USB. So if you guys do have music on the USB drive, you can go ahead and hook it up. On the other side, you do have your auxiliary in, coaxial, and you do have your optical hookup. So nothing else in here. Let's go ahead and power it up and see what kind of sound we're getting. to go review the DS918 Plus from Synology. This is a network attached storage or NAS, and basically gives you the option of having a storage solution that will keep your file in one location. Now, before we jump into the setup, I want to give a big shout out to Synology for sending the NAS out to me. Also, I will be putting links in the description where you can pick it up. Also, big shout out to Amcrest for sending out 2 cameras for me to test out. These are 2 1080p cameras. They do have the pan, tilt, and zoom function. First, let's go ahead and unbox these cameras and see what's inside.
Albino rhinos!
So overall, very impressed with the soundbar. The fact that it does have an external woofer gives you that dynamic bass and gives you the option to adjust this from the remote, which I think was a bonus feature. You also have the 3 equalizer mode on the remote, which gives you a different type of sound. So depending on what you're looking for, you can achieve that with the remote overall. Now currently this is $129 on Amazon. I'll be putting a link in the description where you can get it, but also I will be leaving a 20% off coupon code where that will knock it down to $102. So if you guys have any questions about the speaker bar, drop them in the comment section below. As always, hit this thumbs up, share this video if you think it might help someone else. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.